Hi guys, we're the Girls², and I'm Hannah, and this is Holly, and you're going to see us doing a little jumping course, so let's get straight into the video. So I've just laid out some poles on the ground, so we're going to do some canters, and I'm just going to get warmed up, ready for jumping. Let's go, come go! Now I'm going to start picking the jumps up, and then you'll see us doing the exercises. And Holly's been a very good girl so far. She's just staring at her ball. It's on the step, but you can't see it. Come on. Come on. There we go. There you go. Simba. Simbi. So for exercise 1, what we do is we've got just one jump, and I put some poles on the ground so she can just have a little canter stride, or she can see us put a stride in how big I want it. I start with it on the floor, when I make it to a cross part, an upright, and these jumps around the side, making a curve, is so that she doesn't come straight back, because I've taught her to just go over jumps. Rachel taught her over, but I didn't realise she actually knew the trick until I started doing it this week, doing the jumps. Because in the winter I stopped doing jumps because it's really wet and horrible, and Holly doesn't like being out here. So it's starting to be spring, and so I just do jumping now. Holly's still here. Hey, your slobbery ball. I put the jumps around, extra jump wings, so she curves around instead of coming straight back. It does, otherwise it ruins the ground a bit, and I wanted to go straight down, and so she gets a nice curve instead of just coming back and like pulling something. So she's a very good girl. You jump without me, because if I run next to her, then she'll just go too fast and she won't go through it properly. She'll just rush, putting her feet everywhere. But if I let her go by herself, she can figure it out. And she's a very good girl, hey? And this exercise, she's very good. You're right, aren't you? Honey, the ball's right there. Right here. There. There we go. Good girl. exercise 1 is finished. So for exercise 2, it's some bounce jumps, and I think Holly's a bit eager, or I think she's just eager to get her done as well. Go on in. Grab it. Grab it. There we go, good girl. So for exercise 2, it is some bounces, and bounces are just jumps with no stride that you can fit in, so it's just like down and straight up instead of putting a 1 and then up. So yeah, we've just done the exercise. This is future Hannah talking to the past viewers, or the present viewers I should say. Holly, she's panting, we're about to give her a break, but you'll see that after this exercise. She's very good at this, so I start with it on the floor, and then I raise up slowly. I'll do it both ways, just so she can get it on each rein, and make sure each side is strong, both of her legs. And then I've just raised, we get it to this high. I don't want to put it that high, because then that's a lot of exercise for her, and I don't want her to push herself too much. If I'm going to do the top hole, I would do it just by itself. I wouldn't put it in a course because it's very high. Yeah, she's a very good girl in this exercise. That's how high we get, and enjoy the clips now. So we're gonna give Holly a break now. As you can hear, she's panting a lot. She's very slobbery. Hey, get it? Come here. Her ball is very slobbery. I'll show you it now if I can get it from her. Yeah, go. Holly. Yeah, it is very lovely. Nice and slobbery. Yeah, we need a little break. Probably be like 10 minutes or maybe 20. See if you've stopped puffing. Hey, stop panting. Just want to chill. We'll do at least one more jump, exercise, because she's been so good. She deserves a break, and then we'll give her some treats. Just a few, because you don't want to put all that weight back on, do we? No. Go gentle. Good girl. Go gentle. Cinderella. You can't see them, but they're on my legs. So they're resting against me. They want treats. Guys, it's not your treaties, it's Holly's treaties. Dangerous. Hi guys, so it's a bit later now. Holly's out here and Zimba as well, and I've just set up the next course, and it is exercise 3. So here there's a 1 strider, so she can put 1 stride in, and then the next jump is 2 strides. So she might try to make it 1 stride, the 2 stride. So that means I need to get her to collect up a little bit and shorten her stride so she can fit that 2 in. And yeah, maybe good girl. Yeah. She's not panting anymore because she had a nice little break. There's some nice water. I need to drink inside, not outside. Yeah, good girl. You ready? Okay guys, so that was exercise 3. Now we're going to have our grand finale. I've got Holly here. Holly! What are you smelling? Holly! Holly! Come here! Yeah, so the grand finale is just going to be the big jump, which is 60 centimetres. We haven't done that since winter, but she's all warmed up, so she should be fine. And that'll make a cool picture, innit? So let's get into it. Yes! Hi guys, so that is the end of the video. Holly's been an absolutely good girl. Oh, some dribble, lovely. Oh, it's on my knee now. Now the ball's on the floor. Oh, Kaylee, you were so good today. I'm very impressed with you, my sweet nunk. She's very good. So unfortunately, that's the end of the video. If you want to see more of these types of videos where Holly's in it or any of the dogs are in it, make sure to like down below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe down below. See you next time. Bye. And you guys can see it's not small for her, can I? Oh, it's amazing to jump that. Especially how tall it is next to you. Well, you know you can do it now.